Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to make up to $100 every day by doing this thing that I'm about to show you in this video, right? So you need to watch this video from this very beginning to the very end so you don't miss any important step, right? If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. But if you're new to this channel, in this channel I make videos on how to make money online daily with your smartphone. So if you like watching this kind of videos on how to make money online with your smartphone, then you have to consider subscribing to this channel. Click on the subscription button to subscribe to this channel and also click on that like button to like this video so that the video can reach to a lot of other people. Now, you want to also go down in the comment section of this video and leave a nice comment. Leave a nice and sweet comment for me in the comment section of this video. The best comment gets 5 USDT from me, right? So the best two comments gets 5 USDT each from me. That's a total of 10 USDT. It's just a way of me doing a little giveaway for you guys. At least you can use it to subscribe for your data and whatever you can use it to do, right? 10 USDT for two people. The best comment wins that from me. You want to also click on the links in the description of this video to go join our Telegram group, the new one that we created. The old one stopped working, so you want to join it. That is where I'm going to be announcing the winners of this my giveaway. So you want to join. So if you are a lucky winner, you can message me and paste me your USDT wallet address and I'll send this USDT to you. With all that being said, let's get right into the video. So guys, the demonstration I'm going to carry out for you guys in this video is what we call crypto arbitrage, right? And that is buying low and selling high. This one is very simple and we're going to be doing this with our USDC right here. Not USDT, but USDC. Do you understand? Now, you want to come to your Bybit account because I'm using Bybit for this demonstration. You can use your Binance, your KuCoin, or whichever exchange that accepts USDC. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to be using NGN for the sake of this demonstration. Now, if you're living in another country that is not Nigeria, then you can check if it's going to be profitable in your country currency before going ahead with this. Now, the catch here is for us to create advert right here and become a merchant, right? Now, to create a merchant here on Bybit is very easy, right? You can become a merchant when you meet the requirements. So you want to also make sure you have done your KYC verification and every other thing before even starting to make any transaction whatsoever. Now, the catch here is very simple. Now, if you are already accepted as a merchant, now on the sell section is where the merchants are buying, and on the buy section is where the merchants are selling, right? On the sell section is where individuals that are not merchants are selling, while on the buy section is where the individuals that are not merchants are buying. It's very simple, right? So on this sell section, which is where the merchants are buying, now the merchants are buying 1 USDC at this amount right here, 1,192 Nigerian Naira, right? And if you come to the buy section, they are selling the same USDC for 1,294 Nigerian Naira. Do you understand? So like I said, is buy low and sell high, right? So you buy for 1,192 and you sell for 1,294 as a merchant. Let's just do a little calculation right here. So you are going to be selling your USDC for 1,294 Naira per USDC. And remember, we bought this USDC at the rate of 1,192 USDT, right? Now, we're going to minus that. That is 1,192 Nigerian Naira. Now, we're going to be making a profit of 102 Naira per every USDC that we sell, right? 102 Naira for every USDT that we'll buy and sell, right? It's very simple. Now, let's say we are able to make a transaction of 1,000 USDC in a day, right? So we're going to times this profit with that amount, which you can actually make more than that transaction in a day. You can even make up to $5,000 worth of USDC transaction in a day. You can make even more than that, but let's just use 1,000 worth of USDC as an example. So we say $102 times 1,000. At the end of every day, you're going to be making a profit of 102,000 naira. That is not all. If you're able to sell even higher and even much more greater higher numbers of USDC in a day, like let's say 5,000 or 3,000, then you're going to be making more profit, right? If you're able to sell this $5,000 worth of USDC, which is very possible, then you will be making 510,000 naira every day. This is very massive, guys. This is very, very massive, and a lot of people are using this to make money for themselves. If you come to this buy section, the merchants here are very few, right? So this is an update. You can jump in right now and start using it to make money for yourself while it lasts, right? So this is what I have for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that like button. Click on the like button to like this video. Then subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to this channel before. It is very important, right? Then go down in the comment section of this video and leave a nice and sweet comment for me. Like I said in the beginning of this video, the two best comments in the comment section of this video gets 5 USDT each from me, and I'm going to be announcing that in my Telegram group. So you want to also click on the link in the description of this video or somewhere in the comment section of this video to join our Telegram group and become part of the family. I'm still trying to build up the Telegram group. When I build it up to an extent that I'm going to be posting some updates right there, some updates that I cannot post on YouTube, I'll post it right there on our Telegram group. So join the Telegram group and be part of the family. You need to jump in right now and start using it to make money. Don't just watch and click off and say it doesn't work. Try it out and let me know how it worked out for you guys. With all that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video update. Keep winning, guys, and enjoy.